Arat na! Napakamura, napakagandang serbisyo, and then talagang satisfied customer ako. Dito na sa New Risha Beauty Salon. Imagine 6 services, Moroccan bath, thigh massage, hair spa, we have the eyebrow threading, and ano pa ba? And ano pa ba? Ayun, is very very good. Ang galing nila, sobra. Yan, face cleanup. Isa pa yan. This is the clean makeup. Sorry, clean up. Clean up by Rihan. Removing again the facial scrub. So, you can see it's glowing. Magaganda kung we're done with the scrub removal. यार ताबे भागे की बोल तो बता Yes, and so it's done now with the cleanup, facial cleanup. It's really glowing. It's a simple step only, but it's really glowing. So this is my eyebrow threading. This is the last thing that I will have that the English of Beauty Salon. This is what we call the stand. This one? Okay. I love it. It makes it look better now than before. It's too much messy. This is the finishing touches of Jenna. Jenna, your name? What's your name?
Soumya.
Soumya. Nice name. Sri Lankan Indian.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah. No need to hold? I will hold.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. You made it, babe. Nice one.